Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form calculation widget in Jotform. So all you have to do is of course head over to jotform.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, I'm just going to use a form that I just created. And from here, we're just going to click on add element. And from here, we're just going to scroll down, then drag number. And once again, another number. And from here, I'm just going to name this product and the other one service. Then next in the form elements section, I'm just going to drag multiple choice. And say for example, this is a form for a restaurant. So I'm just going to name this multiple choice tip that you're going to give on the servers. And option one would be 5, then 10, and 15, and 20. And next, we're just going to click on properties. Then first, click on options and make sure that you toggle calculation values on. And now back to the left panel, we're going to click on widgets, then drag form calculation into our form. And from here, we're going to start to add field. So first is our product and add in the add button. So the amount on the product will add and add another field. We're going to add service, also add in an add button and also add another field, which is the tip. Then once done, just head over and click on save. And we're just going to change this into total amount. And that's it. So we're now going to publish this. And if we open this in a new tab, this is how it's gonna look like. So say for example, the product costs 50. So the amount reflected in the total amount section and the service costs 10. Now it's 60. And say for example, we're going to add the tip of 20 and now the total amount is added. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!